Hi everybody, this is Robin Moses and I'm here with Guru, and I've been deciding on whether or not I want to teach this as a tutorial, so I said yes. I have a bunch of rainbow colors on my little palette. They're all acrylic paints that you buy at the craft store. I'm using my brush that I created myself. It's called the Wand. You get it at robinmosesnailart.com, and if you copy this design, please say inspired by Robin Moses. I'm going in with really thin black paint over a white polish that's a little bit shiny. There's two coats of it, and with very, very thin lines, I'm drawing little leaves and trees, and I'm going to overlap like this. The secret to getting these like this is very, very thin paint. I'm going to go and just dot in some floral. Now this is going to be an abstract floral, but just kind of take your brush and go dot 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 dot, so you can feel it like touch. You can just move your brush like this, in and out, in and out, in and out, as fast as you can. Use your desk to support your hands, and then touch, dot dot, and then pull, and then just make your little dots here like that. Little clusters of black dots that are very intricate and dainty. So the thinner the paint, the better. Don't be scared to do this. This is it takes a while, and you might have to just try it all over a whole plate. Just paint over the whole plate like that until you get it. Now I have the rainbow colors, and I have the yellow, and I'm gonna paint a yellow butterfly. So I do like a little side heart. I just painted over what I just painted, but that's okay. It doesn't matter, because I'm just showing you how to do this design. Okay, so that doesn't have to be perfect. Let it dry. Then with this side, let me push a circle type of thing like this. Then coming out the top, you want a circle like that, and then you push your brush out to make the dot, and then you pull up, and that's the back of the bird. And then I'm going to do a red, purple leaf, that. And you think, oh my gosh, Robin, this is so weird. But yeah, it's awesome. And then you dot around this butterfly with the black outline, and then that's where you want to get it real good. Make sure that it's butterfly. And then I just go like this, dot, 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 pull up, go around, dot, 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 pull into a point, pull into the center. And then for the bird, I'm going to make his little feet, and then make a little perch for his feet, and then shore up any little detail that I might not have gotten perfect. And I think this bird would have looked a little bit cuter blue, so I can add like a little tiny bit of blue together. Hold on, let me see. And then just add more dimension like that. You don't have to have everything perfect at all. In fact, the least perfect, the better. So, dot, 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 dot. This is showing through, so I'm going to go back over, and then maybe make a little bit of orange and go around the side of the butterfly. I'm doing as much of what I'm doing as possible, so when I show you what I'm up to, you'll get it. So, let me back up. There. When you do it on all of them, it is really, really worth the time and effort. This is a beautiful design. I'm going to top coat it with a matte finish, and I will meet you back. Okay, and here is the end result. Because they're matte, they're a little bit easier to film, but I hope you guys like this and try it. If you do try it, please show me, and at Robin Moses Nail Art on Instagram, hashtag inspired by Robin Moses. I'll see them both ways. And if you have any questions about any of the materials I've used, they are in the beginning playlist that I just started making in 2018, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Try it and show me and share this out, and I'll see you back with more. Bye. Guys.